Welcome, guys. Welcome to Quiz and Quotes. So, we are again starting the next part of the accounting MCQs. And as we discussed, it is much important for your competitive exam. So, please take it very carefully. Let's go ahead to the next question. And the next question is, what is deposit in transit in bank reconciliation? बैंक रिकन्सिलेशन में डिपॉजिट इन ट्रांजिट क्या होता है? ए, एडेड टू बैंक बैलेंस, subtracted from bank balance, subtracted from cash book balance and added to cash book balance. डिपॉजिट ट्रांसिट को क्या करते हैं? बैंक बैलेंस में जोड़ते हैं, बैंक बैलेंस से सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं, कैश बुक बैलेंस से सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं या फिर कैश बुक बैलेंस में ऐड करते हैं. And the right answer is added to bank balance. Next question. NSF marked in check sent back by bank indicates A. Check has been forged. A bank could not verify the identity. No sufficient money. A check cannot be cashed because of it's illegal. NSF marked in check क्या मतलब होता है इसका? And the right answer is no sufficient money. When we present a check and the person who has given the check is not maintaining the sufficient balance to clear the check, the bank returns the check with the mark NSF. Right, sir? Next question. What kind of accuracy is tested by trial balance? Trial balance से किस तरह की accuracy tested होती है? A. Theoretical, B. Practical, C. Arithmetical, D. None of these. ये बहुत ही आसान है, very simple. This is arithmetical. ये केवल arithmetical testing होती है that all the debit credits balances are matching and both the debit and credit sides are equal. Now, next question. How many methods are there for preparing trial balance? 1, 2, 3, 4. Simple. How many methods are there for preparing trial balance? 1, B2, B3, C4, D none of this. And the right answer is 4. Next question. Which of the following is prepared on the basis of trial balance? Journal, ledger, final accounts, none of this. So we know that trial balance came after journal and ledger, and none of these cannot be the option. So the right answer is the final accounts. Very simple. Next question. Of the two sides of trial balance doesn't tally, which account is opened? If the two sides of the trial balance is not tally, which account is opened? A. Suspense account, B. Personal account, C. Real account, D. None of this. कौन से अकाउंट खोलते हैं जब ट्रायल बैलेंस के दोनों साइड टैली नहीं होते? सस्पेंस अकाउंट, पर्सनल अकाउंट, रियल अकाउंट, none of this. Quick guys, quick. And the right answer is suspense account. Suspense account is an account which is there when the balance is not matching, and then we scrutinize the suspense account to find out where is the difference later on. Next question. The error which can be disclosed by trial balance. Which type of error can be disclosed by trial balance? A. Error of commission, B. Error of principal, C. Compensatory error, D. None of this. And the answer is none of this. Actually, it is only the arithmetic accuracy and error of omission, principal and compensatory error cannot be tracked with the help of trial balance. We have to further scrutinize the accounts to find out the error and reason of the error. Next question. Errors are rectified in the book. Where? Ledger book, journal proper, ट्रायल बैलेंस एंड नन ऑफ दिस. एरर्स आर रेक्टिफाइड इन दिस बुक. किस बुक में एरर को रेक्टिफाई किया जाता है? लेजर बुक, जर्नल प्रॉपर, ट्रायल बैलेंस एंड नन ऑफ दिस. एंड द राइट आंसर इज जर्नल प्रॉपर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. एरर कमिटेड बाय omitting interest in journal book is called. Error committed by omitting interest in journal book is called what? Error of commission, error of principal, error of omission, and none of this. And the right answer is Error of omission. Error of omission committed by omitting entries in the general book. Next question. If the trial balance doesn't tally after many efforts, then following account is opened. If the trial balance doesn't tally after many efforts, the following account is opened. A. Purchase account, B. Suspense account, C. Sales account, none of this. Which account is open? Suspense account. We have already discussed. Next, error committed due to lack of principle. Error committed due to lack of basis principle accounting are called. When the error is there due to change in the basis of principle of accounting, is compensating error, error of principle, single-sided error, none of this. Error committed due to lack of basis principle of accounting is called compensatory error, error of principle, single-sided error, none of this. And the answer is error of principle, because we have not followed the basic principles, right? Next question. Which of the following methods of depreciation not recognized by income tax law? Which of the following methods of depreciation is not recognized by income tax law? Income tax law has given certain specific method on which you only will get the deduction. You cannot use all the methods. And the options are A. Straight line method, B. None of these, C. Both straight line and diminishing balance method, and D. Diminishing balance method. So, which method is allowed as per the Income Tax Act? A. Straight line method, B. None of these, C. Both straight line and diminishing balance method, and D. Diminishing balance method. And the right answer is straight line method. But in 1-2 specific cases, diminishing method is also allowed. That we'll discuss later. Asset disposal account is prepared. Asset disposal account कब बनाते हैं? When? Options are A. Provision for depreciation account is prepared. B. Asset account is prepared. C. Profit and loss account is prepared. D. Depreciation account is prepared. Asset disposal account is prepared. कब बनाया जाता है asset disposal account? And the right answer is provision for depreciation account is prepared. When there is an asset disposal, we open a provision for depreciation account to calculate the profit and loss out of the disposal of the assets, and so that the profit and loss can be treated in the profit and loss account, right? Next, which of the following is the example of capital reserve? Out of these 4 options, कौन से यहाँ पर एक्टिविटी ट्रीट किए जाएंगे एज अ कैपिटल रिजर्व? ए. वर्कमैन्स कंपनसेशन फंड, B. None of these, C. Premium received on issue of share on debenture, D. General reserve. Which is the example of capital reserve? And the answer is C. Premium received on the issue of share on the debenture. So whatever premium we received when we issue the share or debenture, the premium received goes to the capital reserve account. Now next, which of the following is the example of revenue reserve? Out of these 4, यहाँ पर कौन सा example revenue reserve माना जाएगा? A. Profit on redemption of debenture, profit on revaluation of fixed assets, investment on fluctuation fund, profit on reissue of forfeited share. I repeat, A. Profit on redemption of debenture, B. Profit on revaluation of fixed assets, investment fluctuation fund, D. Profit on reissue of forfeited share. And the answer is investment fluctuation fund. Next question, dividend equalization reserve is specific reserve, none of these, secret reserve, general reserve. Dividend equalization reserve is what? A. Specific reserve, B. None of these, C. Secret reserve, D. General reserve. And the answer is specific reserve, because it is kept for the specific purpose. Next question, general reserve are shown in where? A. Revaluation account, B. Profit and loss account, C. None of these, D. Balance sheet. General reserves are shown where? In the revaluation account, the profit and loss account, C. None of these, D. Balance sheet. And the right answer is balance sheet. General reserve is a part of the balance sheet. Right guys, let's go ahead. According to Companies Act 1956, secret reserves can be created by कंपनीज एक्ट 1956 के तहत सीक्रेट रिजर्व क्रिएट किए जा सकते हैं किनके द्वारा? ए, ओनली प्राइवेट कंपनी, बी, बैंकिंग एंड इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज, सी, ओनली पब्लिक कंपनी, डी, कंपनी रजिस्टर्ड अंडर कंपनीज एक्ट। कौन कर सकते हैं? एंड द राइट आंसर इज बैंकिंग एंड इंश्योरेंस कंपनी। दैट सीक्रेट रिजर्व कैन बी क्रिएटेड बाय बैंकिंग एंड इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज ओनली, nobody else. Next question. The loss on sale of an asset is debited to. If there is a loss on sale of the asset, is debited to profit and loss account, trial balance credit side, balance sheet trading account. Guys, this is simple. What is the right answer? Guess quickly. The loss on sale of asset is debited to A, profit and loss account, B, trial balance credit side, C, balance sheet, D, trading account. And the right answer is profit and loss account. Simple. Next question. Depreciation is charged on. किस पर चार्ज करते हैं डेप्रिसिएशन? ए, करंट एसेट, बी, फिक्स्ड टेंजिबल एसेट, सी, नन ऑफ दिस, डी, बोथ करंट एंड फिक्स्ड एसेट। I repeat, depreciation is charged on which type of asset? A, current asset, fixed tangible asset, none of these, both current and fixed assets. And the answer is only fixed asset. We don't charge depreciation on the current asset. For example, we don't charge depreciation on the debtors and the stock. Right, guys? Now, next question. Oh, sweet. Now, fine. So, we are ending here the 2022 questions today. Now, there's a chance, there's time where the opportunity we can discuss with you. There's a link in the description bar, and I request all of you to go to the description bar and see explore the link, and there is a hidden gift for you. And if you are able to materialize this gift, trust me guys, your life will be sorted. You can earn a good money while as you are a student. At the same time, you will learn so many things that possibly rare to the rarest universities or the colleges are teaching these things. So please go and explore this link. And I request share these MCQs to all the deserving students and help your friends, your family, all the people you know, so that they get the benefit out of that. So many guys, many thanks. Wish you all the best. Grow, prosper, be happy, stay happy. Thank you.